west of Amarillo. Up on the high plain, I feel a sudden cool wind blow. Smell the sweet scent of desert rain. Across the Llano Estacado, with Paladuro pictures in my mind, on my way to Colorado, leaving troubles all behind. Gusty winds may exist. If I'm blown away, will I be missed? Will I find love? Will I be kissed? Gusty winds may exist. Gusty winds may exist. If I'm blown away, will I be missed? If true love finds me, I won't resist. Gusty winds may exist. It's blowing hard now across the Badlands. I drive a 2-lane to its end. Out in a cabin, there's a madman, prairie dog, his only friend. Under the stars I light a fire, lie back and stare into the sky. When I find what I desire, I won't look back and won't ask why. Gusty winds may exist. If I'm blown away, will I be missed? Some may doubt me, but I will persist. Gusty winds may exist. Now if I die poor and forgotten, when I'm lowered in my grave, at least I'll know down at the bottom, from gusty winds I will be saved. Gusty winds may exist. If I'm blown away, will I be missed? I will be loved, by angels kissed. Gusty winds may exist. Gusty winds.